What is going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're talking about chocolates. And today we're talking about chocolates from famed, world-renowned Norman Love Confections right here in Fort Myers, Florida, where I live. Now, Norman Love has been doing pastries for about 35 to 40 years now. He started his own pastry kitchen working at the Ritz-Carlton when he was there from 1988 to 2001, opening up pastry kitchens in Dubai, Boston, and other areas of the world. Like I said, he is a world-renowned pastry chef and chocolatier, and Norman Love Confections, a business he opened up with his wife Mary, is located right here in Southwest Florida in sunny Fort Myers, Florida. You guys can actually go to normanloveconfections.com and pick out your own chocolates or shop some of their pre-packaged chocolate boxes. We have an assortment of chocolates I picked out on my own today. I was able to go into Norman Love and pick out some chocolates. I picked out the 15-piece box. It was about $35. Came out to about $37. You get this beautiful green box here with this beautiful bow on it, packaged very nicely. And of course, in each box, they give you a guide with all of the chocolates of the season that you can choose from. So what's really cool is this serves also as a business card. So I'll go ahead and show off this portion of the business card here. If you guys are interested in calling or visiting Norman Love Confections website, here is all the information you'll need right here. We've got phone numbers and other contact information right here. So I'll leave that down in the description below for you guys. But for now, we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of our Norman Love chocolates, just to show you guys what you get with world-renowned chocolatier Norman Love and some of the finest chocolates in the country. So let's go ahead and pull off this bow here. This box is beautifully done. It's a little bit slippery there, so just excuse me, but the bow comes right off. And just like so, we can lift off the top of the box. So what's really nice is they give you this little placard as soon as you open it up. So whether you purchased Norman Love Confections or received as a gift, you will enjoy some of the world's best handmade artisan chocolates. Each piece is created exclusively by chocolatier Norman Love and his team of artisans using the finest and freshest ingredients. Now, folks, I told you this is world-renowned chocolatier Norman Love. His business, his chocolate shop in Fort Myers, Florida, is where I got these from. So let's go ahead and we'll read that later. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of these finest chocolates in the country. These were ranked top 3 chocolates in the country by Consumer Reports, by the way. It isn't just a Fort Myers, Florida myth that these are some of the finest chocolates in the country. They are some of the finest chocolates in the country, folks, and boy, am I proud to have them here, right here in Southwest Florida. So let's go ahead and see what we get with these beautiful chocolates. And as you can see there, they are just absolutely stunning. You get an array of colors and variety of chocolates. Let's see if I can remember them by heart. So this one right here, I believe, is strawberry cheesecake. This one right here is key lime pie. This is German chocolate cake. This right here is hazelnut. This is sea salt caramel. This is lemon wedge. Excuse me, this is lemon bar. The heart-shaped guy right there is, and I'll go ahead and maybe put this off to the side here. Heart-shaped chocolate is white chocolate raspberry. We've got this black and white one. This is cookies and cream. Guys, these are some of the finest chocolates in the country. You do not have to pick these out, but you can just by visiting the website at Norman Love Confections. You can pick out your own chocolates. There are more than just chocolates, there are pastries as well, but these, like I said, are some of the finest chocolates in the country. You'll either want to pick them out or order a gift set on your own. Let's go ahead and try one out and do a little bit of a first impressions of one. I think we're gonna have to go for the lemon bar piece of chocolate right here, which I'm sure is going to be one of my favorites. I just absolutely love lemon. So if you see there, you get this really beautiful, rich, yellow piece of chocolate. It's almost teardrop shaped with this little white swirl on the top there. And let's go ahead and just absolutely indulge in these. So absolutely phenomenal piece of chocolate. It just melts in your mouth. These are handmade, handcrafted chocolates straight from Norman Love Confections here in Fort Myers, Florida. Absolutely fantastic piece of chocolate. These were only $35. You get this beautiful box. You get this beautiful, beautiful bow that comes with the box. And of course, in each box, you get a guide with all of the chocolates that it comes with. So really class act company, Norman Love Confections, based here in Southwest Florida in Fort Myers. Norman Love Confections. Norman Love is a world-renowned pastry chef. He worked for Ritz-Carlton from 1988 to 2001, opening up multiple bakery kitchens around the world, such as Dubai and Boston. He is a fantastic chocolatier. He has owned Norman Love Confections for a little bit over a decade now. These are fantastic chocolates, ladies and gentlemen. I'll go ahead and take off the top of the box here and leave you guys with a fantastic shot of these absolutely fantastic chocolates. Once again, my name is John. These Norman Love chocolates are a convenience good. You can pick them up online or walk into any one of Norman Love's stores in Southwest Florida, Naples, or Fort Myers, and grab yourself a box of delicious chocolates for your significant other, whether it's for an anniversary or for a birthday or for any special occasion. These are a fantastic option to go with. My name is John. The Norman Love Confections chocolates are a convenience good. These are some of the finest chocolates in the country, ladies and gentlemen. You can't get it anywhere else. These are top 3 best chocolates in the country. My name is John. You saw it here, you heard it here. I'll see you in the next video.